Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to Passionately and Tree Darts and More with Tracy. Being that my son repaired and stained my porch steps, I had these on there and they're looking a little hideous. They used to have coverage on them, now it is very worn off, but I'm going to upcycle these. So the first thing I'm going to do, I have washed them, but they've been out here on this outdoor table. So I'm just going to brush them off a little bit to make sure there's no debris in these cracks and crevices. And I have 3 of them actually, but it's been raining out here and the other one is wet. We'll see how these go. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray paint them with a base. This is like an off-white flat, because I was going to put the colors on here and it doesn't stick as well if you don't have a white base. So I'm going to start with that. Oh, let's get it open. And I've done these before, not these particular ones, but other ones, and it takes several coats to coat this black. But this white here will help my other colors stick and pop out better. It really absorbs the paint. It's a little windy out here. And more than likely, I'll be coming back tomorrow to finish this up. Because already at 5 o'clock, the sun is going down. I don't have to have this pure white, as long as I have a little bit of base on here. And then I can go ahead and put my other colors on top of this. So that's good enough. I'm gonna let that dry and I'll be back to put some color on these. This should be dry for the most part. So it hasn't gotten dark yet, so I'm gonna try some colors and see what it's gonna look like. Got this really beautiful blue, Oxford blue. Yeah, it pops a lot better with the white on here. That don't look too bad. It's kind of pretty. Then I'm going to go on the inside with a different blue. This is peacock blue. Kind of blend it in. I'm not looking for perfection, I'm just looking for coverage, really. Okay, and then this very middle, I'm going to go in with this. What color is this? It's called Waterfall. I guess I'm gonna hit it again with this peacock. Just a little bit. And then I see some white, so I'm trying to use this Oxford blue and go in right here. Alrighty, how does that look? Not too bad, not too bad. Looks better than it did. Just want to look at it, I think. Alright, let's work on this other one right quick.
Hey neighbor, how you doing today?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Have
Good.
a good one.
You too.
All right, you want to meet me over there?
No, I don't have her today, it's Friday.
Oh, it is Friday.
Yes.
All right, have a good evening.
Alright, be blessed.
All right, see you, love you.
Love you too. Okay, we're going to do the same concept here. Let's do a couple coats of this Oxford blue around the edge. This is a simple and quick DIY to spruce up your porch, your front yard. It pops and it looks good, and it lasts. It lasts for a while. And they won't be exact, but they'll be similar. So now I'm going to do the peacock inside of that. Inside of that Oxford blue. I'll tell you, crafters love this spray paint. Spray paint, mine anyway, spray paint and zip ties. They do wonders. Okay, let's do the inside and then I'll touch it up a little bit. Do the inside with the waterfall color. Why it's called waterfall, I don't know. Oops, I touched that up. Okay, so now, what did I do? Let's go back around it with the peacock, touch that up. Right in here. Touch that up. And then I'm going to do the Oxford blue again. Okay. The other one's still wet, so I'll do that later, but you get the gist of it. All three will look like this. No two will be alike, but I love them. They are beautiful. In my opinion, tell me what you think. And I'm going to show a picture with them on the porch after they dry. On the steps. Thumbs up. Peace of love. Toodles.